Hello everyone, welcome to SkillBridge. Want your text to flow nicely around an image? Here how to do it in Word. Here's a simple trick make your document look more professional. First, insert your image into the document. Click on the image and select picture format. Here, choose web text. Now select square. That's it. Your text will automatically wrap around the image. You can also try tide, throw, top bottom, inline text, behind the text. Follow SkillBridge for more daily MS Word and computer tips.